Want to write cozy fantasy and sell more books? Get my Cozy Fantasy Royalties bot. It includes incredible free bonuses. Jump on Cozy Fantasy Royalties now. Check the link in my bio.
Are you ready to make your cozy fantasy book ideas pay off? It is time to crack the KDP code. Stop the dust from settling on your drafts and start earning. This video introduces powerful tools to help you succeed. The hidden KDP goldmine is real. The cozy fantasy genre is surging, readers are hungry for new content, and the door to publishing success is wide open for those ready to enter. Consider this. Standard fantasy often requires thousands of reviews to rank. However, in cozy fantasy, the top books are ranking with fewer than 100 reviews. It is a market with consistent reader demand and low competition. Do you find yourself staring at a blank page, guessing at tropes, or starting stories you never finish? The opportunity is there, so why aren't you publishing yet? Meet your new magical co-writer, the Cozy Fantasy Royalties bot. This dedicated custom GPT provides handheld guidance from your very first word all the way through to KDP publication, eliminating blank pages and empty prompts. The bot comes preloaded with proven tropes. Whether you want to write about a magic cafe, an enchanted farm, an everyday town witch, or a magical apothecary, you choose the flavor, and the bot handles the heavy lifting. You remain in control throughout the process. In 4 simple phases, you choose your world, build a story Bible, engage in guided chapter-by-chapter writing, and finally, prepare your KDP assets for publishing. In just one session, you can create a complete draft, generate 7 high-performing Amazon SEO keywords, craft a KDP-optimized book description, and produce a finished, upload-ready cover image. Your cozy fantasy future awaits. Gain immediate access to the Cozy Fantasy Royalties bot, along with a free 30-day traffic plan and a cover prompt generator. Click the link in the bio to get started. Stop letting your book ideas collect dust. Start making them pay today with the Cozy Fantasy Royalties bot. Click the link on the screen to begin your writing journey.